Okay, our next step is just to fix some errors in here. For example, when I cropped it, this horizontal line was left there, so let's deal with that first. So I'm going to zoom in with the zoom tool, and I just use the rubber stamp or clone tool. And you can get to the rubber stamp or clone tool over here on the left side of the keyboard, or left side of the workspace, I mean. Or you can just hit the letter S on the keyboard. So S will bring up the clone tool. And then hold down the Option or Alt key and choose what you want to clone. So like next to this horizontal line, which I don't want, I want to get rid of that. And using the eraser tool is not a good idea for this. Okay, it's better to use the clone tool because you'll get the same texture of the paper and the same color of the paper going across it, which you wouldn't get with the eraser tool. So anyway, I'm going to go up right next to my unwanted horizontal line, hold down the Option key, and I get this like little bullseye thingy, whatever you want to call it. Click once, and then I'll just drag my rubber stamp tool magically across the unwanted horizontal line and get rid of it. And there's some I kind of missed there. So that's that. And then there's some other stuff, like this little doodad here that I made a mistake on. As for clone tool, I'll just select somewhere out here on the white paper, hold down the Option key or Alt key on the PC and click, and then I can just paint that in, and that looks cool. And maybe I'll fix that up a little bit. I could get rid of this if I wanted to. Also, this is a good opportunity at this stage. Like if there's any like weird marks or something that that came in, like for example, my scanner has this. There was something apparently on my scanner, this red dot here that doesn't belong there. So I'll just get the handy dandy clone tool, go up next to it, hold down Option or Alt, click, and then paint over it. And there's some other little dots and stuff here. I'm not gonna like go really crazy with this. So just look for any discolorations, any little small mistakes, and get rid of as many as you can using the clone tool, also called the rubber stamp tool. And notice over here there's a vertical line here that was unwanted. That's a mistake, so let me just do the same thing here and then end this video. So you see I'm just getting a rubber stamp tool and I'm just like going right next to it, holding down Option or Alt and clicking, and so then I can just get rid of it that way. I can even extend this line if I wanted to be crazy. Why not? I'm here. I'll hold down the Option or Alt key and hover over this black line that I want to extend, click once, and very carefully extend it off the edge of the paper. And that is that for this video. So next video I'll actually show you how to remove the line work from the paper.